In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper blades on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the front. First thing you're going to do is match up your blades, make sure that they're the right length, and which ones go where. So the shorter one is on the passenger side, and the longer one is on the driver's side. Next, you're going to lift up your blade. And there's a little tab in there. You're gonna push in. And release it. Make sure that doesn't slam down and break your windshield. Now you're going to install. You can clean that off if you want. And just pull up, make sure it's locked in place. Remove your protective film and gently place it back down. And do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.